Guys, here you go. I'm going to show you my shelf over here. You know my shelf, and there is my bathroom. It's kind of messy in the bathroom. This is my bed. And this is where I sleep at night. And all my supplies here. My coffee machine. That's basically my room. I'll show you my TV out here. And here we go, guys. This is the living room. We have a couch in here, an easy chair. We have a flat TV screen here. This living room, is it nice, guys? This living room? The chair over there, that's where Graham sits, where we watch TV at night. That's the pellet stove. That heats the house when it's cold out. So I'll take you into the kitchen. Here we go. Basic supplies. There's a dryer here. There's a dishwasher. There's an oven right here. There's a little TV right here too. It's a small TV. Now I'm going to show you the dining room.
Can you get that?
That's my sister-in-law. Like, she's here too. Just recently. She's watching me. You see, be good. Kitchen dining room, guys. This is the dinner or something we sit at. Over here is a shelf.
You want to show them my Jenga?
I'd like to show you a Jenga too, Jenga box.
You want to tell them who's on it?
There's a Chicken Joe is on the box.
Come this way more. There you go.
Chicken Joe is on the box. And the other Chicken Joe is you get
Chicken
Joe.
Joe on this side.
Yeah.
And then who did you name that one?
That is Gerald the chicken.
Gerald the chicken? I thought you named it Cluck Cluck.
Oh yeah, that's Cluck Cluck.
Cluck Cluck. Gotcha.
That's the daily life of Hunter that I do here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, they might not get a lot.